irrigation in agriculture. Irrigation is nothing but the process of watering the crop plants in the field. The important point to be noted here is that the source of water must be at a higher level so that each and every part of the field gets water. The main source of water for farmers are wells and canals. Farmers irrigate their fields either manually or by using bullocks or by using pumps. In our country, three methods are used commonly for irrigation practice. They include furrow irrigation, basin irrigation, drip irrigation. First, let us study about furrow irrigation. In this type of irrigation, furrows are dug in between two rows of plants. They are made in the form of channels. Through these channels or furrows, the water is allowed to enter into the field. Now let us study about basin irrigation. In this method of irrigation, the field is just allowed to be filled with water as in case of a paddy field. In most of the areas of Andhra Pradesh, canals, tanks and wells are used as the main water resources for irrigation. The main task involved in irrigation is preparing of canal bunds and removal of water flow barriers like pistia plants. Sometimes a field gets filled with excess amount of water in such a way that even the soil also does not have the capability to absorb it. This condition is called waterlogging. It is very harmful to most of the crops because it is impossible for the roots of the plants to respire in this condition. For this purpose, there must be a certain process to drain the excess amount of water from the fields. Here, let us study the necessity of water to the plants. We know that plants require nutrients to grow. These nutrients are present in the soil and they must be transported to the plant. For this reason, they must be dissolved in water. When nutrients dissolve in water, they can be transported easily to the plants with the help of their roots. That is why farmers water their fields after adding manure to it. Providing water to the fields in different stages of agriculture is called irrigation. Irrigation is basically done according to the nature of soil, type of crop to be grown. For example, paddy requires a huge amount of water. So, paddy is grown in areas where huge amount of water is available. Because of high demand and supporting price, paddy is grown all over the country irrespective of availability of water. Nowadays, farmers have started growing fish in paddy fields. During ancient times, farmers used the primitive methods like moat, chain pump, rahat, etc. for irrigation of their land. The water which is available in lakes, wells and canals is carried out to their agriculture by lifting it up by using different methods in different regions. Mostly, cattle or human labor is used in these methods. Hence, these methods are cheaper and less efficient. But in the present days, pumps are commonly used for lifting water. Diesel, biogas, electricity are used to run these pumps.